Okay, so onto the vanity is the one we wanted before from Bezel. The one for like basically $700 is out of stock. So in Neo Nova, they do have this style, which is very similar to the vanity we chose. The vanity we chose looks like this, right? So this is a larger one. The one we chose is 48 with only one sink, but this is what the style looks like. So they have this style, but not in this color. They do have both this darker color, and I think we're gonna like this more warm color. I think this was our favorite one before anyway. So this one is a 15.99. So basically like 1,000 more. I can pay for this difference out of my side. So not worried about that. I kind of want to do that in the beginning anyway. So yeah, the vanity we do have this. Let me know what you think. Again, it's this wooden color, and the style is the same four drawer style, and this is the 48. We do have the mirror, so that's fine. And the toilet, this is the toilet we chose before. So this one is out, but we do have this one. It kind of looks the same. So yeah, just confirming, and the price is basically the same too. So yeah, let me know what you